Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily delete spam messages in Gmail. Spam emails is cluttering your inbox? No worries, I've got a quick and simple solution to help you clean up your Gmail and keep things organized. First, sign in to your Gmail account. After that, you need to mark the unwanted emails from particular websites or sender. To do so, click the checkbox next to the emails you want to remove to select them. If you are using the mobile app, tap and hold the emails you want to delete. Next is to click Stop Spam icon. It's the icon that resembles a stop sign at the top of the page. This marks the emails as spam and moves them to your spam folder. This also reports the emails as spam. If you are using the mobile app, tap the icon that resembles three dots in the upper right corner, then tap Report Spam. Click or tap the spam folder. It's in the menu to the left. If you do not see the spam folder, click More at the bottom of the list of inboxes and then scroll down to the spam folder. If you are using the mobile app, tap the icon that resembles three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, then tap Spam. Now you need to select the images you'd like to delete. To do so, click the checkbox next to the messages you would like to delete. If you are using the mobile app, simply tap and hold the messages you want to delete. And then the last step is to click Delete Forever or tap the trash icon. It's at the top of the page. If you are using a desktop computer, click Delete Forever to delete all selected emails. If you are using the mobile app, tap the icon that resembles a trash can at the top of the page. So Gmail will learn that some messages are spam and treat them as such in the future. However, it doesn't always get it right. Unopened emails that you have been meaning to get around to but then delete in a cleanup without actually wanting to unsubscribe can end up being treated as spam. You'll need to retrieve such emails from the spam folder so that Gmail learns to leave them alone again. And that's it. You now know how to quickly delete spam messages in Gmail, keeping your inbox clean and tidy. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. A clutter-free inbox can make managing your emails a breeze. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in creating a more enjoyable online experience. Thanks again for watching how to delete spam messages in Gmail. See you on my next video.